How to remove blackheads from nose safely and effectively. Understanding nose blackheads. Blackheads on the nose are extremely common because this area produces more oil than other parts of the face. The nose has larger and more active pores, which makes it easier for oil, dirt, and dead skin cells to get trapped. When these clogged pores are exposed to air, oxidation occurs, turning them dark. Many people confuse sebaceous filaments with blackheads, but true blackheads are thicker, darker, and more stubborn. Understanding this difference helps in choosing the right treatment method. Why squeezing makes it worse. Squeezing blackheads with fingers or tools may seem satisfying, but it often causes more harm than good. Applying pressure can damage the pore walls, leading to redness, swelling, and even permanent scarring. Unclean hands and tools can push bacteria deeper into the skin, increasing the risk of acne. In many cases, aggressive squeezing forces oil further inside the pore, making blackheads return even faster. Proper cleansing for blackhead control. The first step to removing blackheads from the nose is proper cleansing. A gentle cleanser used twice daily helps remove excess oil, dirt, and pollutants without stripping the skin. Over-cleansing can trigger more oil production, worsening blackheads. Lukewarm water is best, as hot water can irritate the skin and enlarge pores temporarily. Exfoliation that actually works. Exfoliation plays a key role in blackhead removal, but the method matters. Chemical exfoliants like salicylic acid work by penetrating deep into the pores and dissolving oil buildup. Unlike physical scrubs, chemical exfoliation does not create microtears in the skin. Using exfoliants 2 to 3 times a week helps keep pores clean and prevents new blackheads from forming. Masks and steam for deep pore cleaning. Clay masks are excellent for removing blackheads from the nose because they absorb excess oil and draw out impurities. Using a clay mask once or twice a week can visibly reduce blackheads. Facial steaming can also help by softening clogged pores, but it should be done carefully and not too often, especially for sensitive skin. Moisturizing and prevention. Many people skip moisturizer when dealing with blackheads, but this is a big mistake. Removing blackheads from the nose
Dehydrated
is not
skin
about
produces
quick
more
fixes or
oil,
harsh methods,
which
leads to clogged pores.
Gentle cleansing,
proper
lightweight,
exfoliation,
non-comedogenic
and consistent
moisturizer
care deliver
keeps the
long-term
skin
results.
balanced and healthy.
Treating your skin with
Consistency in
patience and the
skincare
right
is more
products leads
effective
to
than
smoother
aggressive
pores,
treatments.
clearer skin, and
With the right
improved
routines,
confidence. Blackheads on the nose can be reduced significantly over time.
Thanks for watching.